Hi guys, Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. Today we are doing keto recipes in my channel. So today I am going to show you how to make keto upma. How many of you hate upma? Please raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, the count is countless. Most of the people in India hate upma. If you hate upma, I tell you, try this keto diet for 1 month and you will start loving your upma. Because in keto, we are not supposed to eat the semolina or rava, what you call, and rice, wheat flour and everything. So what and all the food you hate in your regular diets, when you come to keto, you will start loving them and you will start missing them. So same case with me also. I hate upma to the core. I hate it. Literally I hate it. If there is something strike going on to ban the upma, I'll be the one to join in it. But everything vanished when I came into this keto diet. So after staying in my keto diet for nearly 40 days, now I want to eat upma. But unfortunately I can't eat my regular upma. So I wanted to give it a try for this keto upma. So once after making this keto upma, I started to love this keto upma a lot. So maybe even if I stop continuing my keto diet, when I'm in my regular diet also, I think I'll follow the same upma what I did for keto. So without any delay, we'll see what and all ingredients we need to make this keto upma and we'll start the procedure. When you're in keto diet, we have only few ingredients which acts as multiple roles. So today I am going to make the upma with almond rava. That is, with the almonds I made some rava and we are going to use that almond rava instead of our upma rava or semolina. Here I have taken nearly 1 cup of almond rava or badam rava. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut. If you don't like the taste of coconut, you can absolutely remove it. But when you are in keto, you have to take some healthy fats. So coconut is one of the best healthy fats for our Indians. So I have taken 2 tablespoons here. And here comes my substitute for onion. Here I have taken cabbage. Usually in our family, sometimes we won't use onion and garlic. So that time when our elders want to make upma, they use this cabbage. So the same thing I am doing here. I have taken like 3 to 4 tablespoons of cabbage. That quantity is up to you, how much you like you can take. And here I have taken 3 green chilies. I have slitted it to half. And here I have taken some curry leaves. And here I have taken some capsicum or bell pepper. I have cut it into cubes. And here is my coriander, which doesn't look fresh but it is good. Here I have taken some beans, green beans, like 5 of them. I chopped it very finely. And here is my ginger. Even ginger is optional, but I suggest you to use ginger when you are in keto diet because this helps you to lose your weight fast in keto. This helps in dissolving your fat also. And here I have taken only a little bit, you can see, just 1.5 cashews. I have chopped it into fine powder, so I am going to use this. And here as usual I have taken some peanuts because we are not supposed to take some lentils. And here I have taken some mustard seeds and jeera seeds or cumin seeds. And here I have taken some lime juice. It is according to your taste you can use. And here is a coconut oil. If you are not using the coconut, you can skip the coconut oil with some other oil also, but I suggest you to use it because it is healthy. Into my hot tawa I am going to add some coconut oil, like 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Before starting the procedure, you need to boil your water. Like we have taken nearly 1 cup of badam rava, so we have to take 2 to 2.5 cups of water to boil because it depends upon the vegetables and the badam flour to absorb the water to cook. So it depends, you can take 2 to 2.5 cups of water to get boiled. Me, I have my smart Oro which gets me a hot water whenever I click the button. So I'm not going to do any preparation for that. So at a time when I need a hot water, I'll take it from that. So now you can see our oil is hot. I'm going to add our mustard seeds. Now we'll add our cumin seeds or jeera. Now we'll keep our stove into low flame. Now into this I'm going to add our splitted green chilies. Just be careful, they splatter on your face. Into this I'm going to add our capsicum. Next in goes our cabbage, followed by our beans. After our mustard seeds and jeera or cumin, I forgot to add my cashew nuts, so I'm going to add it now. So don't make the mistake which I did. So after adding our cumin seeds and mustard seeds, we have to add our raw peanuts, then our cashew nuts. Today I took roasted peanuts, so I'm going to use it to the last. I forgot to add the cashews, so I added it now. We don't want this cashew to turn into golden brown, just this one is enough. So we'll mix it with the vegetables. Now I'm going to add our ginger, the finely chopped ginger. Just give it a quick mix. Now we'll add our curry leaves also. Some like the fresh taste of curry leaves, some roasted one. So either way tastes good. Now we are going to add our almond rava into this veggies. Now we'll fry this and let the almond flour roast a little bit. This doesn't take much time, so be careful. We don't want this to turn into a golden brown. Just let the color change a little bit. That is enough. Now you can see our almond has changed its color to a little bit golden. So this is enough. Now we'll add our salt. Just little bit. Be careful with the salt. Taken just 2 teaspoons of salt is enough for this. Now we'll add our asafoetida. Give it a mix. And here our hot water is ready. So while pouring the hot water, keep your stove in a low flame. Here I have taken 2 cups of water. After pouring our hot water, we'll close our upma for 5 minutes in a low flame. Then we'll turn it into high flame after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see it's started to boil. All our vegetables had cooked 3/4. Now we'll keep our stove in a high flame. And we'll wait for the water to evaporate. And in this water itself, our vegetables and this almond flour will cook completely. You can see our water is evaporated almost. Just we have only tiny bit of water. Now at this stage we'll add our fresh coconut into this. mix it. And now at this stage we'll add our roasted peanuts also. Just little bit is enough. Give it a mix. If you like to eat your upma soggy, you can switch off the flame now and you can have it. Just I'm going to wait it for just 1 more minute, letting all our water to evaporate completely. Now you can see our water is evaporated and our oil is coming out, oozing out. Now I'm going to turn our flame into low flame. Now I'm going to add our coriander and lime juice. According to your taste for sourness, you add it. I'm going to add just 1 teaspoon of lemon juice because we are going to eat this upma with our keto lime pickle. So I wanted to have a little bit of sourness, that is enough for me. Now I'm going to switch off the flame. Our keto upma is ready, but not yet ready to eat. We had added our lime juice and coriander at last, so let the flavor of the coriander and lime juice absorb into the upma and we can eat it after 5 minutes. So we have to wait for 5 minutes, then our upma is ready to eat. Here is our keto upma, just served in plate and ready to eat. So I'm going to take it with lime pickle. It's heaven, simply heaven, absolutely nice. Trust me guys, you do this upma instead of your regular upma, you'll fall in love with this upma. I think you'll do this in your house. Tell me how it came for you. Upma haters, don't hate upma after eating this keto upma. Like me, even I fall in love with this upma, even you'll fall in love with this upma. Just try it once and tell me how it came for you. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your subscription is encouragement for me to do lots of different videos, experimental videos like experimental recipes which I do here, which comes good. I do this in my YouTube. If you want any of the recipes you want me to cook in my kitchen, please let me know in the comment box. I love to cook it for you and show you how it comes. And please remember, I am a vegetarian. So please give me the vegetarian dishes so that it will be easy for me, and with very much happiness I'll do the recipes for you. We'll meet you in the next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video. Here I have taken our French beans. Here I have taken some French beans.
Indian beans.
Okay. ஐயோ சீரியஸாக நான் இருக்கு, இப்போ நான் பேச முடியாது. சாப்பிட்டு பேசட்டுமா?
சங்கம் முக்கியமா சாப்பாடு முக்கியமா?
நமக்கு சோறு தான் முக்கியம்.
ஆஹா சூப்பராக இருக்கு. சாப்பிட்ட அப்புறம் பண்ணலாமா இப்படி? சாப்பிட்றதுலேயே இருக்கேன், பசி இருக்குலாம் பார்க்கலாம் பார்க்கலாம்.